Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious bean dip. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 16-ounce can of refried beans, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 1 cup of your favorite salsa. Don't forget about 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese to add a creamy, savory touch. These simple components are the foundation for a fantastic dip that everyone will love. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's start mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the refried beans and the softened cream cheese. Use a spoon or spatula to mix these two ingredients together until they are smooth and fully incorporated. Next, gently fold in the 1 cup of salsa. This step ensures that the flavors are evenly distributed throughout the dip, creating a consistent and delightful taste in every bite. Once your dip is mixed, it's time to heat it up to meld all those wonderful flavors. Transfer the bean dip mixture into an oven-safe dish. Then, evenly sprinkle the 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese over the top. Place the dish in an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 20 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the dip is bubbly and the cheese on top is beautifully melted and golden brown. Your delicious bean dip is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm with your favorite tortilla chips, pita bread, or even vegetable sticks. For an extra touch, you can garnish the dip with some fresh cilantro or thinly sliced green onions. If you like a little heat, a dash of your favorite hot sauce can be a great addition. You can also customize it further by adding a layer of guacamole or a dollop of sour cream before serving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.